Kalumpong Yelekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2025 Balapan Daka Office District Sports Officer DSO West Jaintia Hills Rengkat Kejingan Sri Lanka West Jaintia District Sports Association WJDSA Kala Sdang Haka Arplai Trik Yayong Hamadan Kiang Nangba Stadium Jowai. Hakani Kalumpong Yelekai Balai Sngi Lenter Lawan iashimbynta da khandai spa ngut tam ki khynnah shenrang bat kenthei na ki arpu pratali ki school na keleng ke district halaki jong ki kerdan yalekai ki bakentup na du ka under 14 16 but 18 ya ka jingbam smai ni oath ceremony la lam khmat da ka day gracious dan na ka school North Liberty Higher Secondary School ya kene ka inter-school athletic meet lawan badpli daka kong APCM Joint Director School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya kabalakit bokit riang syabaro ki khynnah ki iashimbynta bat penpauru ba ka jingelek kai ka penwandur ya ka jinglong bat kalawai jong ki khynnah bat lingba kum kine kirinsan ka ailat ki khynnah ban pen iya ka sap bat jing tebet jong ki haka kam yelek kai Uma Krobok Pasa District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District Bat Uma Patrick Lamare Vice President WJDSA Ru Kila Donlang Hakani Kasngi Nalor Kinong Hikai Bat Ki Khynnah School. Hakasngi sedang la pendep ya kijing elek kai kentup nadu ka shot put high jump long jump kajing akop mare ban ripo mitar shispa mitar laispa mitar 1000 mitar ha ka baki khynnah shenrang bat kenthei kila iashimbynta shitrem ban pen I ya kasap bat katalen elek kai.
We all know that sports plays a very important role in the life of our youths, especially for those of you who have your talents and your skills. This is where we can showcase your talents and your skills. This is a huge platform so that you will be able to show your talents and your skills. Now, when we speak only academically, we are very happy. I am very happy to tell all of you here today that in the last board exams of class 10, our district performed very well. And I hope and pray that even in sports also, as we have done in the last Meghalaya Games, I hope that this time also, when we go for the state level athletic meet, I hope and pray that our district from here you will be selected, and I pray that you will shine again and come out victorious and do well, even in the state level that is going to be held soon. I believe next week on the 19th. As I always say, the most important that counts is the spirit of participation. So I hope that through this platform that we are having this year also, I believe and I pray that you will perform your various talents, your various skills, showcase them in a sportsmanship manner, whereby you will support and respect one another, and you will encourage one another, and also you will learn from one another, not only your techniques, your skills, but also you will learn to love and respect one another. So I pray to God that He will grant you good health through the entire event, and that He will be with you throughout your lives so that you will do better in your future days to come. And I pray to God that God will grant you more talents and more skills, that you will come out victorious for each and every one of you, not only in sports, but in your life. For the hoisting of the flag, I now declare the District School Athletic Meet of 2025 open. Thank you.